model, 2016 Ford Transit Courier Trend 1.5 Tdci 90k miles needs engine repair no VAT. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 90,000. MOT, the 5th of May 2026. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCi 75 PSB. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine needs repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean.